Alright. Oh, what, my homie? I'm black. I can't help it. My family threw me out because I was black. Maybe because I was burnt in the fire. Got black burns all over me. You could blatantly call me a nigger. But I don't see any nigger in you. I was born to be black. I'm killing black people. I don't know why I'm doing it. Maybe I was just too black. Why didn't you talk, nigger? I'm sorry. Defensive to my kind. Are you gay or something? Because you just look like you just been shagged in a prostitute. You've been in a car recently. You can't just turn around like that. What are you doing? Turn around like that. I'm black.
Do you shag?
Don't do this.